Today we're going to be cleaning this kitchen. It's looking sad, it's looking cluttery, but we're going to change things for it. We're going to make it nice. Okay, before we start, I'm going to put on a face mask because if I'm going to clean, then I'm going to treat this like a spa day also. This might be the one little thing that gets me excited to clean, and it has nothing to do with cleaning. I'm using Clinique Moisture Surge Nighttime Face Mask. You can use whatever you want, or you could just not do this step, but I love doing this, so I'm going to. Okay, so we're just about ready. Before we start, I just want to let you know that I'm wearing my husband's shirt, and I didn't realize how bad these pants look on camera, but we're gonna go with it. Okay, so I don't want to talk a lot during this video, but I do want to say that I struggle with keeping my house clean. So I'm just gonna put that out there. Like, if you struggle with that, I'm right there with you. So I know I post these videos. I have gotten into the habit of cleaning on Sunday. And I found little habits that help me. And so things like doing laundry while sitting in front of the TV and watching your favorite TV show will help make it more enjoyable. So you know you're gonna have to do it anyways. So you wanna do it in a way that's going to make you happy. I'm basically away from the house Monday through Friday for about 10 hours. I leave the house at 6 a.m. and I get back at 5 p.m. So I'm not home a lot. And so I feel like I'm always struggling between trying to figure out, like, do I want to go to the gym or do I want to make a really healthy meal? Because a lot of times I don't have time to do both. So obviously, cleaning doesn't really fit in there. So I do try to multitask. So for example, if I'm cooking dinner, I like to do the dishes while something is on the stovetop or in the oven so that I'm doing two things at one time. I hope you guys find this video motivating, and I will go ahead and stop talking as much and turn up the volume. Okay, so this is 2 days later. I forgot to record the finished product, so yeah.